Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search by using the speech recognition function on the Zara application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the search icon down below, which is the second option. Now select the voice icon down below, and after clicking on it you are ready to speak and thereby searching for the item that you would like to purchase. So click on it. Trousers. As you can see, all the 491 trousers are available to you, so you can search for the one that you prefer. So you can easily search for products by using this function on the Zara application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.